Namaskar everyone, this is Chetan Raikar. I plan to share my experiences with you all in the form of short videos. I would request all my technocrat friends to share their experiences and views on my videos to me directly. Thank you very much. Our country, India, is taking up infrastructure projects at a very fast pace, having deadlines which are engineering challenges. Also are doing construction in the midst of all the cities, which is a greater challenge. Today I am sharing a case study with you. This metro pier was also cast in the same process with which the other piers were cast. Unfortunately, this pier had honeycombing, which was detected when ultrasonic pulse velocity was carried out. Contractor tried normal grouting and again did ultrasonic, but it was not successful. In this particular case study, we proposed specialized deep grouting. I call it deep and precision grouting. A couple of meetings were conducted with the general consultant of Metro, the contractor, and my team, and a method statement was submitted. The same was discussed and accepted by the general consultant for how to proceed further. As a step 1, additional ultrasonic pulse velocity testing was carried out and the data was captured and recorded at the same locations. This data is going to be very useful in knowing whether the grouting is successful and what is the effectiveness of grouting. Additionally, radar testing was carried out for through scanning of the suspect area and exact locations and extent of the voids to be detected. You all are aware that radar is far superior in such matters when compared to ultrasonic testing. Ultrasonic gives just a spot location, whereas radar does a complete scanning of the body of concrete. A method statement for deep and precision grouting was submitted and the same was again accepted by the general consultant. The engineering challenge in this case was to have 100% grouting and check the same using the non-destructive testing equipments that are available with us. After drilling deep holes of about 12 mm diameter at strategic locations, endoscopic inspection was carried out. Endoscopy gives confirmation that the voids are there. It is human eye getting into the structure. It gives confirmation that there are voids and also shows if there are any additional defects in concrete. Multi-perforated and extra long stainless steel grouting nipples were inserted to ensure complete effectiveness of grouting. Grouting was carried out using special epoxy at a moderate pressure of 2 to 3 kg per square centimeters. Radar was carried out again and this process was repeated till no voids were shown by radar. You can see how substantially the ultrasonic readings have been improved. The simple technique of deep and precision grouting used effectively coupled with advanced techniques of non-destructive testing like radar and endoscopy saved substantial time, energy and money for construction industry. We feel satisfied to share this success story with you all. Thank you very much and Vande Mataram.